Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Southern Fleek Bath Box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Southern Fleek Bath Box is a bath box. We will have bath bombs, bubble bars, sometimes we get powders that you put in there and it makes it all bubble up. We get soaps, all things bath and shower. It smells so good. Before I even open it, I found Nikki through another box that we do, Fruit for Thought, and it introduced me to her. I talked about how much I loved her products and she actually contacted me. She does send this over for review, and because of that, I have a code Catherine, which will get you 10% off in her shop. I will, of course, link it below because it is fantastic. I know I've heard from so many of you who have tried it and loved it, so I'm just loving that. That is what it looks like, and we will get into here. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you guys. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna pre-guess. Maybe, is it maybe peachy and mango-y? I don't know. It smells delicious. I love this box. Do you guys, I hope you guys take the time to do some self-care with some nice baths. I love a good bath. Even in the summer, I love a good bath. What you saw on top was the paperwork that tells us a little bit about each product. And when I unwrap it, you will see, let me show you, because it's always wrapped so well. I don't think I have ever had, which is fairly amazing, a broken bubble bar or anything. We're just going to reach in right on top, open this up, right out. Oh my gosh, how intricate that is. It's a horsey. It's called Sassy Mare and it is a bath bomb. Let's see what the paperwork says. Sassy Mare bath bomb, painted to match my new favorite mare, Rapunzel. These beauties will soften your skin and make your bath beautifully scented in either afternoon tea, which is pink and mint, or Thousand Wishes, which is purple. I am mint, so I would say mine is afternoon tea. I don't know. I don't know what afternoon tea smells like. But this smells fantastic. That smells so, so good. So I got it in the mint. I think somebody was asking me the other day if she put the ingredients on the products, and yes, it does have the ingredients. Like this is baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, cocoa butter, coconut oil, olive oil, poly 80, fragrance, colorant, SLSA, cream of tartar, and bath salt. Next out, we have Barn Hair Don't Care shampoo bar. How fun is that? It smells good too. What is that scent? I can't identify these scents this month. This says Barn Hair Don't Care shampoo bar. That's right, I've bought a farm. Who has the time to fix their hair when you have horses? These eco-friendly bars are packed with nutrients for your hair, including vitamin E and kokum butter. I'm not sure what that is. Kokum, K-O-K-U-M. For more manageable hair. You can also use these for your body, scented in a lovely rose clay, peach mango, or Prince Charming for the men. So now I have to work out what I have. Okay. Does it say? Can I cheat? It doesn't say. And it's also just fragrance, so I don't know that that helps. I'm gonna go with rose. It smells good though. Okay, next out, we have Southern Fleek, My Barn, My Rules. Oh, it's a sugar scrub. I love her sugar scrubs. This was the first thing that she ever did that I fell in love with. I had her melon sugar scrub and it was amazing. I don't even like cantaloupe, and it was cantaloupe and honeydew, and the scent was just so spectacular. You get awfully dusty in the barn. Wash off all that dirt tan with this fluffy moisturizing whipped sugar scrub, scented in either passion fruit pineapple, which is peach, or Japanese cherry blossom, which is pink, or for the men, cypress and cedar. So I have peach. Thank goodness she told me the color. So I have passion fruit pineapple. Let's see how it smells. The first time, and I learned this the hard way the first time, you take off the lid and you take this off, but then all you have to do is flip open the cap. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, that's so good. Passion fruit and pineapple. She's right. Passion fruit and pineapple. It is so fluffy and light. I'm encouraging you, even if you don't want to do her subscription box, go over, check out her sugar scrubs. I love them. I said sugar scrubs like I was drunk. I promise you I'm not drunk. Sugar scrubs. Smells so good. I'm drunk on happy scent. And then, like I said, once you've taken that plastic off and you put the lid back on, you can just pop the top. So you can just scoop it out. So when you're in the shower, it's that much easier. Okay. Ooh, wonder what this is. First we have a Oh, cowboy hat. How cute is that? It says hat bubble bar. I can't smell it. Let's see what it says. Hat solid bubble bar. These super bubbly hats will go perfectly with your boot bath bomb. There's a boot bath bomb coming. It is scented with complementary fragrances for the boot. These would make a perfect bath cocktail to use together or separate for personalized experience. I have done that before. This is the boot. How cute is that? You can put this in and it makes all of its fizzy bomminess, and you put this in under the water and it makes tons of bubbles, and that can be fun. But also, if you use them separately, you get two different experiences. That boot is so cute. I mean, look down. Can you guys see even the detail up here? It is so stinking cute and detailed. I cannot smell these through the plastic, so they must be a more subtle scent. I can't smell. Here, let's open up the back just a little bit. Still very light, just kind of fresh, kind of fizzy smelling. Fizzy, like, you know, like lemony limey. Yeah, I'm not sure what the scent of that is, but it is, of course, lovely. And last out, we have one more little bubble wrapped piece. It's like it's a jar. That's fun. Oh, wow, it's wrapped in plastic too. She wanted to be sure that it got to us without spilling anything. It did too. There's nothing on the inside. It was always secure and safe, but she goes the extra mile. This is fuzzy bath salts. How cute is that? So it's purple. We kind of had, well, no, I guess just the boot and the hat. I was gonna say we kind of had a purple theme, but nope, just the boot and the hat. What's our paperwork tell us? Fizzy bath salt. Every cowgirl or cowboy needs a muscle soak. Some of these fizzy bath salts have dried flowers and all come with a reusable glass jar. Scented in either orchid pear, which is green, I love it when she helps me, or sea salt orchid, which is pink, or for the men, just the Abercrombie Fierce, which is blue. I would have guessed that was purple. I'm gonna go with, now that I know I have three choices between green, pink, and blue, I'm gonna go with this is pink. I would have guessed it was purple. No, I guess when I put it next to the purple of the boot, it does look more pink. So I have pink, which was, what was that? Sea Salt Orchid. The top just kind of, it's off. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells very grown up and like, you know, department store perfume like. Not, you know what I mean? It's got a little more posh feel to it. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely lovely. I love that. That may come close. I could never make a list of my favorites, but just to say peripherally, this could come close to one of my favorite scents I've ever received from her, and I love all of her scents. This is near a favorite. It is what, Sea Salt Orchid. I would buy other products in this. It is amazing. Yeah, I love that. That was our Southern Fleek Bath Box. Let me show you. We got this super cute horsey bath bomb, the fun boot and hat set, but you can absolutely use them separately. This one is a bath bomb. This one is a bubble bar. Our fizzy bath salts that smell amazingly like Sea Salt Orchid. Her sugar scrub, which, like I said, I love all of her products. I love them all equally. However, if you were just gonna reach out to her Etsy shop and pick up something to try to see how you feel about her scents or her products, this is absolutely what I would recommend starting with. It is her sugar scrub. I have had, this is probably my third, and I roll through them. I love them all. And then the Barn Hair Don't Care shampoo bar, which is fun. I don't think since I have been doing the Southern Fleek that she has had a shampoo bar. So that is fun and different for me to try. And that is what this box looked like. So if you have any interest in signing up, I will absolutely put the link below. It will take you over, and with Catherine, you can get 10% off, I think, in her entire shop. So if you wanted to, you could use it on just like the scrub. I would probably save it for something bigger, but you do you. I want to thank Nikki for sending this over and for making such lovely scents for us. And thank you guys for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you would consider subscribing if you don't already. Hit the notification button so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.